Drop your barriers and have a nice deep breath. Beautiful warm light, and bring it all the way down to your belly. And breathing it out your mouth as you come down into relaxation. Dropping all of the words that have been spoken today in this co-creation, this activation. As you've transcended past your thinking mind and into your truest self, sinking your body into wherever you sit or lie, relaxing your jaw, relaxing your wrists, maybe even giving it a little roll if you want to. Relaxing your ankles and doing a check through the mid-column of your body, from the top of your head all the way down, making sure that anywhere that feels tense is softening, relaxing that yoni. A nice deep breath in again through your nose, all the way down to your belly as you blow your belly up like a balloon. And exhaling out. And as we just disintegrate the words, feeling your soul elevated and knowing that today you have raised your frequency and your vibration. As we shift any of the energy that no longer aligns with your new frequency. So we call in your ancestors, guides, loved ones and spirits. As we call in the angels, the fairies, the dragons, the mermaids, all of those elementals. Know that you are fully loved, guided and supported. Knowing that anything material cannot hold you at ransom. In fact, you are energy, and everything is energy. You are available to be paid, to be you. You are available to be healed by you. If you are ready to unlock the DNA that has been stagnant, say so within your body or even with your voice. Yes, I am available to unlock the DNA that holds my gifts with ease, with joy, and with grace. I am available. I'm available. I'm willing to receive. I'm willing to receive. I'm willing to receive the magic, the miracles, and the mediumship that I was born with, that I was born to be. I allow myself to be paid energetically, with vibration, with money, with material, prosperity and abundance of all the highest frequencies is available for me as I unlock my DNA and am willing to serve the world with my unique gift that only I have. You are a being of light, so lighten up your body now, breathing in deeply into your heart center, accessing the soul within, and noticing the golden threads, allowing those threads to grow through that heart center and out to all of those around the world and through the world that you desire to connect with, to play with, to activate with. All of those mentors, friends, clients that you have soul connections with, dropping all of those barriers and mistaken beliefs that are stopping you from reaching your highest potentials here while in this body. So some light language is going to come through now, and as this light language comes through, this will be coded. It will be sounding like it's in a different language. This is just an energetic, vibrational activation, if you will, to clear the space within your portal, to move any of the junk that has been stopping you from your desires, because your desires and your dreams are truly your purpose here on planet Earth. Kia mapakiri te ia mapare pipikiri mapakar papati mapakar pipikiri papare pipikiri to me pikara. Ia mapakiri mapakati kumpakia papa pepe. Oh ya 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 no capo papere mapo. Ia mapapakita pipikiri mapatia mapakar pipikia. Reama papakea Ezemo bebeke ama beke bebeke takanya na de bebeke papakarbe hiama e bebeke bombakati e ai bebeke abara be me ya ha tia ya ebe ya ka ya se que me ba beke bebeke ni amo bare bebeke ya mapa ya motia ya remaka ya babaki ya tuki wa ya oh ya kotika me babaki babaki mapaki anante babaki pamahamo baka ezike me bakapiari mo pa ya fu batiki ya yeah, letting that land, bringing the play, the courage. What is your word? What is your word for this year? What is your desire for this year? What is your truth for this year? What are you available for this year? As we cast a spell of magic, faith, belief, truth, high standards, boundaries, and love, we ask the true white light, source consciousness, our higher selves, our spark of God consciousness, as we ask the Mother Collective and one another to hold together as these waves, these golden waves, create a tapestry, a blanket of gold that surrounds the world, that heals the world and all of those on it. You are here to be healed and to heal to be one with the earth, to be one with God, to be one with the universe. This is your natural light. This is your natural state. Being gentle with these weaves, this tapestry that you have created today, knowing that the practical magic is just that, your practical existence, in the spells that you cast, in the water that you drink, the grounding that is had, the ego checking in. This is who you be. And just gently, gently bringing yourself back into your body. When you are ready, taking a deep breath and wriggling your fingers or your toes, blinking your eyes open when you are ready. Thank you for being a part of that divine channel. The guides have brought forward this tapestry today as we've all come together. Even if you have been on a replay, you have been a part of this, as time is not linear in the 5D space. At the beginning of the reading, I pulled you a card. And the card is express your individuality, allow your true self to shine because you are awesome. And what I would like to say here is the green surrounding is all about following your heart and love. And I really don't think another card would cut it like this one has. Today we have talked about how you can be an expression and how you and your magic, how you are a miracle and how your magic can transform other lives by simply helping them tap into the remembrance of themselves. There's no hierarchy here. We are all special. We are all unique. We all have gifts for the world.